उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भयो, अब रैन कहा जो सोवत है। My dear sleeping soul, wake up! You were sleeping in so many millions of lifetimes, but now you got the human form. उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भयो, जो जागत है वो पावत है, जो सोवत है वो खोवत है। Those who are sleeping, although got the human form of life, but not engaging oneself in Krishna's service, खोवत है, or they will lose or miss this opportunity as a human being. It has two meanings of waking up sleeping soul and also waking up early in the morning, Brahma Muhurta. The next line, very beautiful. जो काल करे सो आज कर ले, जो आज करे सो अब कर ले, चिड़िया जब खेत चुग जाए फिर पछताए क्या खोवत है। Right now is the time to take shelter of Krishna. Once this opportunity is lost, at this moment we have time, we have energy, we have power, we have strength, we have intelligence. Use it in Krishna's service, because we have no guarantee how long these opulences will be with us. Anytime we may lose our eyesight, anytime we become dumb and deaf, anytime we could do accident and then we have no limbs to perform devotional service. फिर पछताए क्या खोवत है, then only repenting. Maya is so powerful. Every day she has so much stuff with her. She gives up newer and newer information to you. She just throws in front of us. Please listen. Aapko this for me also. When you speak some prajalpa, some mundane points, we are losing the power of Vani. We are losing the power of speech. We have read in the script, school and colleges, energy is limited. Even speaking energy is limited. Hearing energy is limited. Even thinking energy is limited. So, in that limited stock, if you use that propensity or speaking ability for speaking mundane things, hearing abilities, hearing capacity for mundane hearing, we are losing our capacity, we are missing those opportunities. Like Gandhari, she did not use her senses, she did not use her eyes for seeing mundane objects. She just blindfold. She did not see anything. Her eyesight became so powerful, she could give the body of thunderbolt to her son. She did not even use it in Krishna's service. Please understand this point. She did not use her eyes in Krishna's service. She just restrained. She did just tapasya of not seeing anything. She got so much power. What to speak when we use those senses in Krishna's service? So therefore, whenever our senses hold a material objects in our senses, we lose the potency of our senses. Whenever there is a touch with the mundane sense objects, we lose our capacity, we lose our purity, we lose our opportunities. Therefore, it takes intelligence to understand how much we had to give focus to what subject and how much to for spiritual subject. उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भयो, अब रैन कहा जो सोवत है।